In the last video, what like we did is that we have learned how to use a for loop, and then at the end of the video, what like I did is that I made a mistake. I said in this video we're going to look at for each loops, but in C language we don't have for each loops. We only have while loops and for loops. So to loop through your data, you can either use while loop or these for loops. So great. So another concept with whiles with loops in C is that we can use break. We can break a loop, or we can jump to the next loop. For example, let us do an example for breaking loop. So let us use this for loop actually for that purpose. So if now we run this, we can see that okay, the for loop says for loop exam is going, the time spent it is this 0, and then this is 1 2 3. So if like here for 3, if like for 3 we want to alert the users, saying that we want to alert the users by saying the exam will end very soon. We can do that here, and then we are not going to write this. So we're going to say here, going to say if t is equal to 3. What like we're going to do is that we are going to say print. Going to say print exam will end very soon. So let's do this. If we save this and then we say build abort, and then we build and run, you can see the condition, this condition which is here, it was made, and then it says exam will end very soon, and then he said for loop exam ongoing time spent it is 3. But now we want to say okay, if we get to this point, we don't want to display this anymore to the student, and then we are to do that, we just simply say break. Just simply say break. So that means we are not going to continue. We are not going to continue with this loop. So let's say abort, and then we're going to say build this. There we go. So here we have the for loop. We have the first code block which was red. It says time spent is 0, time spent it is 1 2, and then when like it get to 3, it just put this. It says exam will end very soon, and by putting this break here, it will end the entire loop. Immediately. But like if like you want the loop to continue, you can just say, instead of using break, you can just say continue. So that's how we can break a loop. After reaching a certain condition, we can just break that loop, and then we say continue. Now if like we say continue, let's see what like is going to happen, and we say build and run. There we go. It says now, it says exam will end very soon. What like it did is that when this condition was met, it just print this, and then it says continue. When like it says continue, it will not run this code anymore. So it will not run this code anymore. It will just jump this, and then it will continue to time when like the time spent it is 4. So that's it for this video. We have learned how to use continue, and we have learned how to use break. So again, break, like when like you say break, the loop it will end immediately. But when we say continue, what like happen is that the code which is below this continue, it will not be run, but the loop it will continue to go ahead.